Hi students, welcome to again one online class for 12th mathematics. Now see exercise 12.2 13th question. Using truth table, check whether the statements negation of P or Q are of negation P and Q and the statement negation P logically equivalence. This statement is logically equivalent to negation P. We can prove using truth table. We can check using truth table. Solution. So in this statement there are two simple statements. We can draw 4 rows. One more rows add fill the negation. That means statements like this. Okay. First fill the P Q. Next Bariston P or Q. Next negation of P or Q. Next we want what? Negation P, and the next negation P and Q. Next negation of P or Q or of negation P and Q. That is the another one. Already filled negation P. Okay. So first we filled PQ. True, false, false. True, false, true, false. Okay. Next OR statement rule. Both are false. OR statement is false, otherwise true. So that is one false, otherwise true. So negation opposite of this false, 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 true. Okay. Next negation P opposite of P false, false, true, true. Next we see negation P and Q. First column, put the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here read this. So we see column 1 and column 5 through AND statement. So both are true, AND statement is true, otherwise false. So okay. Now see negation P and Q. That means here both are true, true. So here no satisfied, here not satisfied, here also no satisfied. So this only true, balance are false. Okay. Next we see fourth column and sixth column through OR statement. Both are false. OR statement is false, otherwise true. So both are false, so false. Both are false, false. So here alternatively false. So both are false, OR statement is false, otherwise true. Okay, from the truth table, column number, from the truth table, the columns 6 and 5 are identical. So therefore, the given statements are logically equivalent. So that means negation of P or Q of R of negation P and Q is identically equivalent to negation P. That is the question for 30 students. Next 11. Show that negation of P biconditional to Q equal to P biconditional to negation Q. Solution. So in same manner there are two simple statements. So we can draw 4 rows. One more rows add fill the statements like this. Okay. First we fill the P, Q, and then next P conditional to Q, P biconditional to Q, and the negation of P biconditional to Q. Another one. We want what? Negation Q, and the next P biconditional to negation Q. Okay, first fill the PQ. True, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Biconditional rule, both are same truth value. Biconditional statement is true. So both are same truth value, true. Balance are false. So opposite of third column, that means false, true, true, false. Negation Q opposite of Q, that means true, false, true. So here true, here false. So false, true. So here. And the next see P biconditional to negation Q. First column and then fifth column through biconditional rule. Both are same truth values. First one no same true. Second one is same truth value, so true. Third one is false, false. So same truth value, true. Balance are false. From the truth table, the columns 4 and 6 are identical. So therefore, negation of P biconditional to Q equal to P biconditional to negation Q. That is the problem for 11. Students now see exercise 12.2 15th question. Prove that P conditional to of negation Q or R equivalent to negation P or of negation Q or R. Okay, using truth table, prove this compound statements. Okay, So in these statements, there are three simple statements P, Q, R. Okay. So how many rows we can draw in truth table? 2 power n rows. That means 2 power 3 rows. So 2 power 3 means 8 rows we can draw. That is 8 rows. One more rows are filled in the statements. So 9 rows we can draw this. Okay. So first P, Q, R. Next time we want negation P, negation Q. And the next time negation Q, R, R. Another one is P conditional 2 of negation Q, R, R. And then another one is negation P, R of negation Q, R, R. That's all. Okay, next time. So we filled P, Q, R initially. So there are 8 statements are there, 8 possibilities are there. So first we filled 4 are true, 4 are false. So true, 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 false, 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 false. Q filled true, true, false, false, true, false, false. R is alternatively filled true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. So that is initially we filled. Next we want negation P and negation Q. Negation P is opposite of P. 4 false, 4 true. Negation Q is true, false, true, true. False, false, true, true. Okay, that is initially we filled. Next we find out there is negation Q or R. So now we see before we filled bottom first column, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now negation Q is fifth column, R is third column. Now see third and fifth columns. True R statements. R statement rule, both are true. R is true, otherwise. Sorry, R statement rule is both are false. Both are false. R statement is false, otherwise true. Okay. So now see this. Both are false. Here false, so that is false. Where that is false, so false. Okay. Otherwise are true. So that is true, 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 true. This one is false. Okay. Next step. P conditional to this brace. Okay. P means what? First. And then sixth. Now see, first column and sixth column through conditional. Conditional statement rule is what? First is true, second is false, then conditional is false, otherwise true. So first is true here. So see here false where here. So that is old. So which is false. So remaining are not satisfied. So remaining are true. And the next one is what? Negation P, R of negation P, R, R. So this sixth one and then fourth. Now see fourth column and sixth column through R statement. R statement rule already we know. Both are false, R statement is false, otherwise true. So now see this. Where is false? Both are false. So false. There is no both are false remaining box. So therefore remaining are true. T. Okay. That is the truth table. And the next step, from the truth table, the columns 7 and 8. See this 7 and 8. True, true, false, false, true, 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 true. So all are identical. The columns 7 and 8 are identical. So therefore, P conditional of negation Q R equivalent to negation P R of negation Q R. So that is the 15th one problem, students.